After Thanksgiving dinner, our ovens need cleaning. Everyone knows that Phyllis likes to cook and entertain. Look how the stove looks after the Thanksgiving dinner. After cleaning with a HYLA steamer, the ovens almost look like brand new. With a HYLA and a HYLA steamer, you have the perfect cleaning setup. I hope all you had a perfect, wholesome Thanksgiving.